recent update, Lifeforms has added support of plugins. These plugins are first party and third party plugins can be imported using a plugin called Plugin Importer, and this gives a great flexibility and power to Lifeforms. So here is the documentation. You can read more about those plugins and how to use them. Some of them may require minimal setup and some even don't require setup at all. For demonstration, here I'm going to open a quiz form. I'm going to open this in editor and I'm going to preview this. So this is just a quiz in raw shape, and that is just a normal quiz. So first what I'm going to show is if I go to Logix and expand plugins function and I select this 3D backgrounds 3D birds background and I click on apply. Note that I don't have any logic unit applied. So when I refresh the page, that's what you are going to see, 3D background, and this is interactive background and it is utilizing Vanta and 3.js. Next thing is that voice input plugin that I want to show. So if I select this and actually speak title 2 and apply, and there is button for the documentation. So the speak button, it doesn't require any configuration, and sorry, the voice input doesn't require any configuration, but speak title, it requires little bit configuration. Either we can set a custom property on first screen that is speak all title or speak title all, and it must be here no matter what is its value, it just checks its value, sorry, its existence. So click on add and save, and now actually I can add separate speak title property on screen where I want to speak the title, but if I add this property anywhere, it will just override the thing. Okay, so now I refresh the page, the form, and note that we have this icon here, that is mic icon, and it will
What is your name? This will be shown in leaderboard.
it will speak the title too. On Chrome it doesn't speak a title of first screen, but on Edge it speaks perfectly. Okay, so now if I press this and I speak something, Nabil Ali. Yep. Okay,
What year did BTS
so it
officially
has
debut?
taken this input, and now if I have to give the option input, there is a explanation how to speak that. So if I press this button and say option A, B or option C, so option C, and then to next I press next. So
Which
that's
song features the iconic
so
line, I'm fine and I'm cool?
these things we have done using just plugins and without writing a single line of code. So that was something new. Those are added and these are very powerful in this Lifeforms update.